Experiencing crashes or freezes with your Tesco Mobile app on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. The most common culprit is accumulated cache, temporary data that builds up as you use the app to view bills or manage your bundles. This overload slows things down, leading to freezes. Software incompatibilities and outdated app versions can also cause these issues. Another factor can be low memory on older devices. Don't worry, these problems are usually easy to fix. First, clear the app's cache on Android. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Tesco Mobile, tap Storage, and clear cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Tesco Mobile, offload app, then reinstall it. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Head to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and update the Tesco Mobile app if an update is available. Finally, restart your phone. These steps should resolve most crashing and freezing issues. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support.